Environment experts have called for more awareness and responsibility towards promoting harmony with nature and environment. The experts who made the call in Lagos in an interview with AIT expressed worry that some animals and plant species are going extinct due to climate change and the activities of poachers. The Earth is home to more than 6 billion humans and countless other animals and plant species, which play a vital role in balancing the ecosystem. Yet, many plants and animals are on the verge of extinction due to climate change, deforestation, pollution, and illegal poaching.
Part of the wonderful system that God has put in place, and through a process of evolution and development, this chain has evolved, whereby one species directly or indirectly is connected to the next species. And why they call it a web is like a spider's web. If you start to remove certain strands of that web, eventually the whole web will fall apart. And this is what we're at risk of doing. We're entering what they call the sixth extinction. We've never had such a rapid dieback of species. Species just disappearing totally. We haven't had this dieback of species in millions of years.
The World Earth Day therefore implores people to work out ways of saving millions of species on the planet. The event takes place around the world, and in Nigeria, several activities were organized to mark the day.
Animals are meant to be conserved because of the roles that they perform in the ecosystem. There are some of the animals that we have now that if you don't do something about them, whatever the animal you refuse to honor, to preserve, or to conserve, that in years to come, if you don't do anything about them, it's going to bounce back at us.
If we kill these snakes and we wipe them all from all our environments and from the bush, then the rat population would increase. They will bring these diseases close to us, the Lassa fever, the bubonic plague, the different kinds of plagues that the rats carry. You understand, cholera and all that will now become commonplace thing. These were put there to keep their population at bay. So they have a role to play, and we have a role to conserve them.
We human beings have been wiping out far too many animal species. And all these species, they're part of the web of life. They're all linked together. You lose one, it harms another.
There is consideration for the type of animals that you kill. There are times that, certain period of the year that you don't kill certain animals because that is the period when they are mating. And when the animals are mating, just pregnant, and you kill it, that means you have wiped out a whole generation.
For the experts at this gathering, 60% of species have been lost in the last 60 years. And since the Earth is the only planet where life is possible, it is necessary to maintain its natural assets for life to continue.